Alright guys, welcome to another rainforest walk. Let me get my hat on, let's not be bald. Now looking forward to this one, because the last one didn't quite work out. We were going to go to the botanical gardens, that didn't work. We ended up on this little like cool Japanesey bamboo walk and got sick and couldn't catch the sunset, but we will be returning to the knoll at the end of today to go catch that and of course grab some snacks, because me and beautiful partner aren't sick now. But what is this, Curtis Falls?
Yeah.
I think we're at now. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Looking forward to it. Hopefully there's a good waterfall at the end. I think I did this one when I was younger, so I think this is the right one. I think it's a pretty popular one. There's quite a few people going around the walk. So yeah, hopefully once we actually get on the walk, we're kind of more spaced out, so we can just enjoy the nice vibes and scenery. But yeah, without any further ado, let's go catch this walk and have a good time. Here it is. Great coughing.
Shut up. I choked on the water.
Especially. Oh, a lot of bush turkeys in here. A lot of palm trees around. Oh, look at all the cut trees.
I ate them all.
Smooth. Why, hello there, good sir. That tree's big. Look at it. It's a chunky thing.
Look,
Oh, you can make a little...
that could be a pool.
I was just going to say that. Imagine that is like your spa. Quite the drop down there. First impressions, nice walk. Now this walk, bit too many people for my liking. Also look at this cool little step thing. Bit too many people for my liking so far, so hopefully that changes. I do like a good bit of peace and quiet, but the actual walk is quite nice. Air isn't as fresh as I'd like it, but I'm hoping once we get a bit further down that changes. What is that bird?
Oh, hello, beautiful. How are you?
Just fell down the tree. Oh no, there it goes. It's a cool little area. Look at the size of the trees. Big boys, look at all the moss. I like to call these tree tumors. Look at all those tree tumors. Do you agree? Do you agree with the tree tumors? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, seems we're getting deeper into things. Looks like it drops off down that way quite a bit, as these walks usually do. There's a big tree tumor right there. Look at that big boy. Okay, we got a little split path here. This is cool. You wanna go check out this thing? Whoa, what is going on with the tree tumor?
There's a hole.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hello? I am a tree. Interesting. Not every day you go in a tree, I guess. Checking out this little viewpoint over here. Someone's left their stuff here. Okay. Path continues down there. Kind of gives you a scope of how tall these things are.
I got distracted.
Views are incredible. Ooh, this is a nice little path. Look at this. It's a bit different. This one's got the railings going for it. The other ones haven't had that.
Probably this one's more popular.
As I said, this is one of the more popular rainforest tracks, so it's probably going to be a bit more developed than the others. Honestly, I think I prefer the ones without all the people.
Yeah.
But hey, this is still cool. The actual track itself, I mean. Like, look at that. That is incredible. Okay, we're coming off to a big drop here. Whoa, wow. Look at this.
You could go on a slippery slide down the mountain. It may not end well, though.
What, like that water bottle?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down there. Near the water, alright. Well, obviously, it's right there. Okay, that's the falls, and that's a Lower Creek circuit. So that's the way we want to go, and then we can come back and go this way, so we've got more to do. Look how pretty it is, though. Do you reckon this is the same one from the knoll? The same water, or do you reckon it's a different stream? Oh, that air smells good. That's the stuff I want. I do wonder.
We're back to the air speaking.
Oh, it's good air. Love this air. I do wonder if this is the same stream that connects up to the knoll. There's a very high chance that it could well be. Can definitely hear the waterfall up ahead. It's very loud. From up top, this looked like a bridge. No, it's a whole tree. Here's those falls up ahead. This looks so good. Look at the water here. Where's that coming from? Up there, I guess. Wow, this looking real cool. And off you go. You've seen the waterfall. Oh yes, this is why I do these walks. They're so much fun. Alright, we're heading down the other pathway now. Waterfall was fun, but we're going to see what's at the end of this. We've got another 1.6 kilometers ahead. So yeah, we'll see what we see. Path is already very narrow. Look at that up ahead. Look at that beautiful stream as well, of course, and the red dirt, and the air smells so good. You know I love it. If you've been watching the series by now, you know I love it.
Make a freaking short of just how many times you talk about the air.
The air is just delicious to my nose. I don't know what I'm saying, but we're going with that. This path seems to be less populated, thankfully. Oh, I got you tripping on camera. Let's go. This path seems to be a little bit less populated. The waterfall back there, I'd say, is the main attraction. Don't know if there's another one up here, but we shall find out. Oh, that air is good. We're definitely heading more into the thick of this rainforest now. Beautiful location. Loving this one. So it'll be interesting to see what's at the end of this path. Maybe we'll get a lookout, maybe we'll get a waterfall. Maybe we'll just enjoy some nice scenery. But I'm enjoying myself so far. This is a nice one. Beautiful partner is vibing up the water and honestly fair. Pathways are a little narrow here. That's cool. Well, it looks like two. A bit weird. This tree is interesting. It looks like it's been slowly degrading from termites. Bunch of birds. This doesn't give me fallen tree vibes. This is definitely a plank of wood right here. I don't know how or why, but it is. That is a plank of wood.
big mats, don't you? You're such a tiny bird. It likes making a big heckin' mess in the thing.
I mean, yeah, I'd like a big nest too.
Okay?
And dude's chilling and just vibing. It's weird to think the road you drive on to get up this mountain is just up there. You could see the cars driving past at the waterfall. Oh, we're following the stream. We might get another waterfall maybe if we're lucky. Beautiful. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, look at that. Honestly, these videos, the best part is just not even talk, just let the scenery speak for itself. Because just the sights you're seeing in front of you here are got 10 times more things to say than anything I could comment about. Seriously though, I've said it many times, you just gotta be here to experience it for yourself. The Curtis Falls, Mount Tamborine, Queensland, Australia. If you're there, check it out. If you're here on holiday, worth the trip. Honestly, I feel like the best way to go about these videos on these rainforest walks is just tone down the talking and just let the scenery speak for itself. Just take it all in. I feel that's the best way to do it. That's a nice little bridge. I like that. No, it's giving us more choice. Gonna make decisions. Suck at that. Alright. No footbridge across creek on Circuit Rocks may be slippery. If you don't want to cross the creek, return via the same route. Okay, so interesting. Right, so I'm still a little bit confused. It doesn't really say where either of these paths go. I'm gonna go this way. This is the cool way. And the rocks are a bit slippery too. Oh, this looks like fun. It's like a slight mist in the air. I love that. Oh, I love this already. I have no idea where I'm going, but I love it. Water sounds lovely, as it always does. Okay. I'm a bit concerned about those boots, but okay. Oh, there's people down there. Alright, fair. Definitely thinking for the future of this series. Gonna do more slower pace, just walking. Let you guys soak the sounds in the environment and just enjoy it. So that's kind of what I'm doing with this one here. So I hope you guys like that. Although I do wonder if this is building towards a waterfall, because that'll be cool. Bigfoot come through here, or what's going on here? Something smells funny. Not too sure what. Question if something's died down here, like an animal. Bit stanky. Okay, path keeps going that way. We can come down and check out down here. Oh, look at this. Path's very narrow and rocky, which I mean the sign did say, to be fair.
Look at that rock. All the water coming off the rock.
Seems there used to be a bridge where you crossed here, but that is no more. That's pretty much the bulk of the bridge right there. So yeah, we ain't going this way. This leaves the only one way. This way. This looks quite nice. See where it goes. Wonder why that's blocked off. Interesting. This terrain is definitely rocky, yeah. Alright, seems like this is the way across actually, somehow. I guess this is the creek crossing it mentioned.
Probably.
Well, let's go. Let's see if we can make it over. Oh, I can see a car up there going pretty close to the road by the looks of it. Okay. Careful who does it. Oh, slippery indeed. These boots have no grip. This is terrible. Well, this may be difficult. It's very slippery. 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 Alright, see where the bridge used to be. So, not too sure how we're crossing. Let's figure this out. Water looks... Oh, gosh, that is cold. I mean, it is getting into the warmer seasons at least. Okay. Let's assess the situation. I don't know what to do. Alright, good, we're off to a good start. I'm gonna try walk along these rocks here and hopefully not die. Alright. Easy does it. Okay, this is very sketchy. Poor bridge. Not too sure where to go from here, and it's that's just so slippery. I don't trust this rock. Or this rock. Hello there, water. They weren't kidding about the creek crossing. I'm a little bit uncertain about how. Oh, hello, Kookaburra. How to get across from here. Let's not fall down there. And again, I'm still not sure how I'm getting across from here, because it ain't exactly stable. Don't know. I've got an idea. But I'm gonna have to sacrifice my shoes and hopefully land them by throwing them over there. Okay, that's one. This is how we do it. Alright. 2. Please don't land in the water. Oh, my sock, no. Alright, but now we have the grip to get across. Oh, still a bit slippery on the sides there, but we're making it. Alright, we've done it. Ooh, that feels good soil. And now we have soggy socks. Let's go. Good luck. You're gonna need it. It might be easier to take your shoes off. Do I trust this? More or less trustworthy. I hope. There we go. Making it across. Hey! Can understand why this track had warnings now. Alright, we're heading back to the falls by the look of it. So it seems it's just going to loop back around. Sweet! Well, we're looping back around to the start of this walk now. Now my impressions of it, real good walk. Definitely prefer this one over the knoll. Still love the knoll, but it just felt more bushy than rainforesty. The bamboo one, well, that was more of a bamboo forest and a rainforest walk. Now, the real competition is comparing this walk to the original walk we did in episode 1. Now, I've got to say, I do quite like this one. A bit too many people for my liking. But yeah, overall, scenery is a 10/10. So yeah, just as good as the first one, I'd say, if it didn't have as many people. The main attraction being the waterfall. Once you get on these deeper pathways, it's not too bad. But yeah, a lot of people come here for swimming. And it's deep down there. So yeah, overall, I think this one is just as good as the original, I've got to say. Highly recommend Curtis Falls. It's a great one. Road's up there, which is weird to think. Hear a truck coming this way. There it goes. That's funny. And then we've got some people having a little swim down there on this hot day. It is pretty cool down here in the rainforest though. Huh. I never knew it, but this is the walk that you see. You can see this walk from the road. Always wonder what walk it is, and it's this one, so that's pretty cool. One thing I have noticed, the air, like the feeling of the air freshness, hasn't felt as good as that first track we did. I don't know why, but there's just something about that first one that just hit different, that none of these other ones really tick in the box for. Also, if you want to see us return to that first track, because there was a track we never ended up finishing because we ran out of time, yeah, let me know. because I'd love to return to it and yeah, see what those redwood trees or whatever they were and that path has to offer. Okay, this is a cool path. Like walking along the edge like this. That's cool. So much better in person, of course. Can't stress that enough. For those who are a fan of my bush life series, you may remember this specific plant. It's the same plant type as the bush plant.
Can I eat it?
What do you mean? You're just gonna, oh, okay. You just ate the rip-off bush. Oh, did that taste great? No. Oh, it's the bush plant from bush life on a mountain.
It didn't taste good.
No way, really. Looks like we've got another crossing up ahead. Actually no, it's just connecting back up to that bridge. So it's just one big full loop. Okay, that's fun. Now we've got to walk all the way back. Here we are, back where our little journey started. So now it's just time to walk on back. That was a fun little track, but it's time to head back now. So unless anything interesting catches our eyes, let's get back. I'll see you guys when we're there. Alright, so walk's done. It was good fun. Now we're just driving around the town. We're going to go to the place we went to last time to grab some snacks. So yeah, that was a good milkshake, a pie maybe, depending on what they got. Just some nice snacky stuff like that. So we're just driving through, seeing what we see. But yeah, that was a real nice walk. I did enjoy that quite a lot. Now I just gotta find somewhere to park, which is never fun. We've had our snacks. Now we're just doing the usual, killing time till sundown and just doing a little bit of a drive around, which is always some good fun, checking out some cool things and some cool views. You know, we love to do it. This is a nice little area right here. Cozy. It's definitely cozy. Look at that. Oh, look at that little house hiding away over there. Oh, and it's a dead end. Okay, the properties here are nice. Look at that. Oh, imagine living there. That is... I like that place. That is nice. That's pretty cool. And back the way we came. Imagine coming through here in autumn. We gotta do that. Going up quite the steep hill with quite the view. Look how nice that is. The cars. Wow. Wheels. Woo.
No cows.
There is no cows. Oh, I know there is cows.
I did say that.
They're mooing, and actually that's a rock. Never mind. You can see the city coming up ahead. That's when you know you got a good view. You can see the city from the mountain.
I love
Look at that house. That house is quite nice. I do like your roof.
I don't like the house next to it, but it looks a bit done.
Fair. City. Yeah, use low gear. Oh, that view. That is nice. Oh, quite a steep descent we have here. Look at that though. Isn't that? That is incredible. That is a beautiful view right there. It's like we're going down a roller coaster. Look at the city over there. You can't see it. There are trees in the way. Never mind. See the ocean. That is the sky. Actually, that's not the ocean. That's the sky. But you can see the ocean when you're not looking up at the sky. You see. So look at that. It is quite like foggy in the distance. I guess the render distance is low. Oh wow! Look at that. That's a nice house. Never seen a T like that before. Is that for tram or?
Yeah, it's for the tram.
Never seen something like that before. Don't ask how we got from a mountain to this. Don't ask questions. You know that city we're looking at in the distance. Just don't ask how we got here. It just kind of happened. We needed to kill time, so apparently we ended up at the beach.
Yeah.
Now we are at the knoll. The knoll. Oh really? Do you have to lock the car? Ooh, looking good.